LOYO Bondar is setting a new standard for development in Bali, an ecosystem that unites construction, manufacturing, management, service and technology. In 2025, we commissioned 6 complexes, 124 units or 14,000 square meters of ready-to-use space, with construction periods ranging from 12 to 18 months. They are already generating income for investors. 6 complexes are currently under active construction. In 2026, we will complete 4 projects: Ikso Pandawa, Pandawa Hills, Melasti Arcade, Ubud Dream, with a total of 163 units and an area of 20,000 square meters. We have started construction on a new project, Homes Green Village. The project will be completed in 2028 with 342 units and an area of 27,000 square meters. Our own construction company, licensed with an SBU, employs 1,000 specialists. The completed projects are included in the Homes and Villas by Marriott Bonvoy collection and are undergoing final inspection by Radisson Individual. The management company, certified by Marriott, consists of more than 300 specialists across all key departments. We have built a strong production base. 5 factories, windows, doors, furniture, stretch ceilings and a sewing facility. Our partners: Ecolit, Oceanic, Foresight, Atmosphere, DM Project, Unit Space, Wudara, Bali Base. Complete control over quality and deadlines. Our fleet includes more than 20 units of construction equipment. Transport department: 200 bikes and 20 cars. 4 warehouses, 3 laundries. Our own procurement company in China, India and the CIS. F&B sector: 4 restaurants under management. In 2026, the launch of 6 more restaurants is planned. The sales department has 20 agents and 200 partner agencies worldwide. 7 offices in Bali. We have our own marketing agency, production team, digital department, design studio, legal and architectural project bureau. Up to 30% of processes are automated by artificial intelligence. LOYO Bondar, more than just development, it's an ecosystem. Production power, a reliable and advanced technological platform, a structure you can truly trust, a future that's genuinely worth investing in.